Good day everyone. Today on the bench I'm going to tie up a new little creation of mine. I call it a Dirty Bird, little Dirty Bird. It's a nice little wet fly. It's a jig fly basically. It's going to ride upside down in the current. You can hang this on under a cork. You can fish it in streams. Got a few new materials that we want to use. I'll go over the materials to tie this fly. I'm going to be using some Tiemco 403 barbless jig hooks. Size 10, you can go to 12s and that as well. The beads, we're going to be using some tungsten slotted beads. These are copper, 1/8 diameter. Use those, and the tail and the hackle, we're going to be using the brown partridge hackles there. The materials, I've just sent some of this the other day from our friend Deb Pascal. She sent me some Semperfli products. Dirty bug yarn and dirty pale olive is the color, and makes a great body. And I'm going to use that uni mylar size 16 and copper blue, copper on one side, blue on the other. So that'll work good. And also you can use peacock and orange. The orange side looks really good. That's what I'm showing on this fly, is the orange. It looks very close to the copper as well, but let's get a hook and a vise and wrap one of these rascals up. A little Dirty Bird. It's like the dirty yarn, and it's a great product. I like using wool. For years we used a lot of wool and kind of got away from it, so I see Semperfli's gone back to that. It's a great product. Natural material. So I'll just go in here and grab myself some tailing material at the back. Grab myself a hackle while I'm at it here with my skin, and for the collar. I'll go in the back here, let's peel some of this off. Some of our webby hackle. Pinch off some for our tail. Size 10, I might not quite have enough here. I think I'll just add a little more on the other side. Make sure they're still the same length. Very nice suggestive pattern. That plays out pretty good. Then we'll bring in some copper blue. This is 1/16 or number 16 mylar. I'm going to tie it blue side up. I'm going to tie this also in black pattern as well. Okay, and then we'll come in with this Semperfli yarn. I'm going to tie it along the whole shank, kind of get to keep my body fairly flat. We'll wind it forward. Front I can take a couple turns and bulk that up. Actually, I like to leave that head just a little bit thinner so I can wrap a little more to get an extra turn of my partridge at the front. Okay. And gets our yarn. Get that tied in. Now we'll bring our copper forward. A good rib. Mylar, very nice accent. Number 16 mylar works great. There's lots of colors in that too. So we're getting a pretty good body going there. This is a little small. I would use that on a 12. I like larger hackles on this fly right here. There we go. Nice, there we go. I like nothing better than partridge hackle. It's pretty hard to beat. One of my go-to materials for sure. Just pinch, I grab the tip, stroke the fibers back down, and then tie the tip in. In a size 8/0 red thread. I like to use the spring clips for my soft hackles. I can manipulate them a lot nicer, hold them in place. And just get a few turns, finish up the head with the red thread here, nice accent. And also what I'll do is put a little solar res on the head of that so it'll last a long time. These hackles will fold back when it's wet. It'll breathe a little more when I've got them tied this way. And great little pattern there. You're going to get some movement, and I just got all the components I'm looking for in a good little nymph. So it's got lots of weight if you want to be fishing that in rivers and streams. It'll get the job done. And if I would fish it probably a little smaller for sure in lakes, and you could fish it smaller size in rivers as well. So there you go, little Dirty Bird. All the best for that one. Catch you soon again on Sports Fishing on the Fly on the Bench. We appreciate you tuning in.